Ah, okay. Bibili daw kami nito. Ano yan?
Ito, pero malamig. Oh.
Ice egg rolls. Okay. Ano?
Yogurt na, no? 25 lang.
Ako din. Parang ito yung yogurt, no? Ito.
Oo.
Sarap yan. Yan na lang sa akin yogurt. Senior ka ba? Love, 3 for 50. Yung egg roll.
Tatlo, 50?
Oo.
Yung malamig?
Oo. Ayan, no? 350. 3 for 50.
Ayan, ice egg roll.
Hi. What size is this one? 3 for 50.
Egg roll, 然后 I put in the
Yeah. Size. Ah. Oh, size like this. How about this one? It's big. This one?
Same?
Ah, same. Okay. So 3 for 50.
Okay, 3.
Sasa, 50. 50. 3 for 50.
3 pieces.
Yeah.
Only three flavors.
Yeah, sure.
Lemon yogurt.
Yogurt, yeah.
Lemon yogurt, banana chocolate, orange lemon.
Ah, okay.
Hindi, 20 lang naman sila.
One flavor, one.
Okay. Lemon
Oh.
yogurt, banana chocolate, hazelnut chocolate.
One lemon, one banana
Banana.
chocolate, one orange lemon.
Okay. Yeah, that's
How
right.
about hazel chocolate?
That's one.
This one no ice.
Okay.
Like mousse.
Okay.
Or cream.
Yeah, okay, got it. The tree.
Only these three.
Orange, lemon, banana.
Only this three.
This tree.
This one gonna.
Yeah. This tree.
They are ice. This one mousse.
Ah, sure.
Okay.
Ice. This one.
Ice.
Only three flavors have
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Same unit na sa'yo?
This one, 50? Yeah, it's 50.
Sabihin mo na lang same order.
50? Ayaw mo lang kaya ni Sir Orly yan. Sir Orly pa. Maliit lang pala.
Okay lang, matik.
Siya.
Thank you.
Siya.
Video.
Oh, are you happy? Happy? You taste.
Ito yung lemon yogurt.
Okay.
Tawag nila rito ay ano ba?
Ice egg roll.
Ice egg roll. So, gawa siya sa egg.
May palaman siya sa loob na.
Then, nasa loob yung yogurt.
Yeah. Ano yan?
Yung orange lemon na ice egg roll. Ito siya, oh. Kita mo.
Ito yan. Pero ano, small size lang siya.
Crunchy yung egg. Yung egg na coating, yan. Last one, itong chocolate.
Sarap. Chocolate.
Pakita mo.
Lamig. Ano ka sa? Banana. Ito gusto ko. Yogurt.
Lemon yogurt. For only 50 NTD or nasa 100 pesos tatlo. Parang ganon. So 100 pesos.
3 for 100. 3 for 50 siya.